In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Bybit account. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you got to do is log into the Bybit account that you want to delete. Once you've logged in, you're going to go to the top left-hand corner and click on your profile picture. That'll bring you to a page that looks like this. We're going to go to the top right-hand corner and click on the settings icon. When you're on this page, we're going to look for security and tap on that. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on account settings. And over here on this page, you'll see deactivate an account. You're going to click here. That'll bring up this page on deactivating an account, and it's going to list the following consequences of deactivating an account. Make sure you read through this, and if everything looks good, you're going to go over here. The account is being disabled due to, and select one of these options. And if you have read and understood and agreed to the above actions, you're going to tap this square right here and proceed to deactivate this account. It's going to confirm that you want to deactivate the account. Tap on confirm. Now you're going to be sent a verification code to your email. Enter the verification code you got in your email, and you've successfully deleted your Bybit account.